Political violence. Political violence all over the world by the hands of the government. And the people also are violent. Citizen violence against citizen. What's going on? You know what's going on? There is no one to protect us from the Babylon system. Political violence is what messing up the people. When the government no longer can protect the people go astray. Isn't that amazing? When the government no longer can protect the people go astray. And that's what's going on right now. That is what's going on. People lost a sense of direction because their mind is steadfast in silliness. Everybody wants money. No more dignity. No more dignity. They want money, 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 money. So by everybody's craving after money, they lost a sense of direction. When last do you listen to someone speaking about what their grandfather told them? Or their great-grandfather? When last? My grandfather told me this, my grandfather told me that. When last? They will tell you what they see on the internet, but not telling you what grandfather told them when he was a young boy or young girls. And that's the problem we're having. Nobody give a damn about nothing. They care less. And that's what's going on. But the people is waking up with violence. You have to wake up without violence. You're waking up slowly, but you have violence in the back of your mind. I don't know what's going on, why violence is taking place all over the world. Because they see that they no longer can be protected by the government. So by they no longer can protected by the government, they are trying to protect themselves. So violence come in all manner of ways. You could imagine the United States government blow up a little sailboat and kill all the people on the boat and saying that they were carrying drugs. And they have no proof of that. And they also let the bodies go to the fish in the ocean. Those hate men or hate women, they got children, wife and husband, but those people are not crying out. They have no one to cry out to. So by they have no one to cry out to, everybody kept silent. Also the government kept silent. Because they have no one to cry out to. Because the United States government is going around and blowing up things. You know, this drugs business been going on since Reagan was in power. And they have not stopped these drugs from coming to the United States. And the reason why they have not stopped the drugs, because the people want drugs to smoke. The people want drugs. The citizens want drugs. If the citizens did not want drugs, the drugs would not be coming. And that's the problem. There's a crave for the drugs in the United States. So by the cravings for the drugs, the people have to get it. So by the people have to get the drugs, it's keep on coming. And that's what's going on. But the people cannot see. The people cannot see what's taking place. If they could see what's taking place, they would wake up long time ago and leave this narcotics alone. But they're fighting over it and killing innocent people over it. And that's what's going on. And if you don't think it's a mess, what's up, beauty?
Huh?
How you feeling?
I'm just lost.
Yes, as I was saying, political violence is all over the world and everybody's messing up. I don't know what's going on, but the people seems like they're caught up in something strange. Things are taking place and no one knows what really taking place. Some of the leaders of government are violent and they are operating in a secret ways all over the world. The time has come for the people to wake up. Yes, the time has come to wake up. We can't hang around like that and do wrong. So as I said to my brothers and sisters, wake up before it's too late. That's all I can say. People need food to eat. People need shelter. People need medicine. And no one is not seeking after those things. Violence is what's taking place. And by they looking for violence is no good. All over the world, people are marching and demonstrating because things are wrong. And people know that things are wrong. Something is wrong. Why are we having this problem? And by we having this problem, we going to be stuck. As I said, we got to wake up. Only way we can wake up is when we realize what the government is doing. Because the government is no longer protecting the people. You know what I'm saying? The government no longer protecting the people. So the people going astray. Political violence. As Bob Marley said. So, wake up, black man. That's all I'm saying. Respect. Respect, respect.